Opanyina wotu Frank Adama NPP amanyoko no mprempren de o Ghana mampanyin abedi eche Dr. Bawumia sembia odi atudwa ene se Ghana aban na ehye ne mu se CCTV cameras be se 50,000 mpemaduonom wo mosabetumi aka na myamya hodo wo man Ghana mu na mansini ena mantama hodo no de nyina abobo ho no mebetumi aboa e wa hobambo nsem ne mu.
Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Edia Tuja say budget a won mu behia se be ya 50,000 cameras a wo pese we de bobo memu afa na be bia na aboa ama nipa bonefosem so atie no ne nsa ka afri so afo a wo hwe national security so enchen wo kasa wo International Youth Day celebration ekoso e wo gomu afete ena Dr. Bawumia Edia Tuja say aban ye adwumaden se de be ya obebo aban ba adwuma yekuo na wotumi ate nipa bonefosem so e wo men.
So I asked National Security to provide me an estimate of how many cameras we need for every district capital and every regional capital in the country so that we can see what is happening in the public space. So they come up with an estimate of 50,000 cameras, and we are going to get them the 50,000 cameras to cover all district and regional capitals to help the police, so that if you go and commit the crime, we will see it feely and come and catch you and make sure that we support the police.
Modembo ya MPP amanyokuro no abo ewo internet connectivity mu no rane kasaye mu no wodi tuja
gone up to 73% from 32%. So we are getting close. My goal is to have above 99% internet penetration in Ghana. That is where we should go, and I believe we can achieve it within the next 4 years. We are going to make sure, and in that process, I want us to break down the cost of data. Data is very expensive, and we are looking at bringing down the cost of data to allow participation in the internet economy, so that our young people who are, the cost is a big barrier to our young people. And so I want us to look at how we distribute spectrum, for example, to the telcos, and have agreements with them that we can give you this if you reduce the prices of the data to our young people and to our community.